Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful headband. You can use it as a belt too. As you know, this year it's very trendy and it's so easy to make. I made a headband version. You can make it a little bit bigger and use it as a belt. For this you will need less than 25 grams of yarn. I use this yarn art jeans. It's a cotton acrylic blend yarn. It's a category 2 yarn, fine yarn, and with this one I use a 4mm hook. And hope you like this one and hope you make it. If you like it, please feel free to leave a comment. I love to read your comments. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free and we can start now. Start with a slip knot. Make 4 chains. Insert from this first chain, join with a slip stitch. There is a little ring here, we will work into this. Chain 3 is a double crochet, yarn over, insert into the ring, grab the yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We have 2 double crochets right now. Count these 3 chains too. And in the same place, make 1 more double crochet. 3 doubles, chain 2, again into same place, make 3 double crochets. Chain 2 and into the same place 3 more double crochets. That's the end of the first row. Chain 3, turn into this 2 chain space, make 3 double crochets, two chains, 3 more double crochets. We will always make the same thing for 2 sides, for here and here, okay? And between them there will be chains. Now chain 5. Into this 2 chain space, make 3 doubles, two chains, 3 more doubles. We complete the second row. You can make 4 chains too. Chain 3, turn into this 2 chain space, make 3 double crochets, two chains, 3 more double crochets, chain 5. This time around this 5 chain space here, put a single crochet, grab the yarn, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 5, three doubles, 2 chains, 3 doubles, chain 3, turn, make the same thing, chain 5, into this first space, put a single crochet, chain 5, into the next space, put a single crochet. Each time we have one more. As you can see, we have 1, 2, now we will have 3, 5 chain spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 3 doubles, two chains, 3 more doubles, chain 3, turn, make the side, chain 5, into this first space, put a single, into the next, put a single, next, put a single, and make the other side. We are gonna repeat this. That's the easiest tutorial ever, I think. You can make it easily. In a second, I'm gonna turn back, complete this, and turn back, give you the measurements. Just wait a second. Now I complete this. I made 25 rows totally. It's 47 centimeters, 21 centimeters. Now we are gonna make the borders. Chain 7. Skip 1 chain, yarn over, insert into this next 6th chain. Grab the yarn, pull it. Yarn over, insert same place, grab the yarn, pull it. Yarn over, insert same place, grab the yarn, pull it. We made it 3 times. Yarn over, pull through all, make a chain, and make 1 more chain. Yarn over, insert into this first chain, okay? This chain, we close this first puff. 1, 2, 3. Pull through all, make a chain. Now we are gonna close here, insert into this 5th chain, join with a slip stitch, then chain 5, insert into this next space, 3 chain space, put a single crochet or slip stitch, it's not too important. I'm gonna show you one more time. Chain 7, yarn over, insert into the 6th chain, 1, 2, 3, pull through all, make 2 chains, yarn over, insert into this 1st chain, 1, 2, 3, pull through all, make a chain, and join from this 5th chain with a slip stitch, chain 5, insert into this next 3 chain space, join with a single crochet. Now we are gonna make this till we reach here. I'll meet you there. Now I'm here. I want to make here a little bit longer. Chain 12. Insert into this 11th chain, make the puff stitch, insert into this 10th chain, join chain 10, and now we are going to insert into this 3rd chain. Okay, I want to show you here to insert into this 3rd chain, make a single crochet, make 7 chains, make the puff stitch, and here will look like this. You can make it shorter too. I like it this way, so I will make it like this. Just complete all of it, then we will meet again. Now we are at the end. I'm gonna make 3 chains and join into this 2 chain space with a single crochet, then chain 50. Yarn over, skip 1 chain, insert into the next, make a puff stitch, chain 2, turn, make a puff stitch, insert into this next stitch, next chain, join with a slip stitch, and I'm gonna turn back with slip stitches. Put 1 slip stitch into each chain, I meet the last one, insert into this 2 chain space, make a single crochet, chain 1, cut the yarn, and make the same thing to the other side. Make a single crochet, chain 50, make a puff stitch, turn back with slip stitch, and join with a single crochet, cut the yarn, then it's finished. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.